Holy shit. Got the flood. The gates are open. We are out here. Only like quarter mile in. Legs are soaked. Feet are soaked. Top half, kind of dry. All right, phone's going away. It's too wet out here. Holy shit. Look how deep that is. It's Bentley. All right, now how the fuck am I supposed to cross the street? Pardon my French. Straight across it. All good. Oh shit. We're completely soiled. We're completely soiled. Alright. Alright, you can see here. Look at how deep the bench is there. Completely flooded out in this section. Feet are submerged. The bus is still running. And yeah, what are you gonna do? I think there's no way out of this. There goes the bus. Surfable waves potentially. The feet are fully soaked. I want to see how deep that is, but probably a bad idea. You get some kind of weird bacterial disease. All right, we're having fun now. For sure, having fun. That's confirmed. All right, let's be signing off. I'm gonna finish this out. 4 miles in, I think I got about 1.5 miles left. Cheers. Wow, that is crazy. Five miles in. This is usually and here we have the great Robin Williams Meadow and the seasonal Robin Williams Lake. Holy shimolies. It's wild out here. What can I say? It's flooded out like crazy. I'm soaked, which is honestly nice because full acceptance. Feet just completely ankle deep or deeper multiple times. Seems like the rain's kind of slowing up, but definitely not raining. So let's see if we can see my apartment too. Here. Well, I don't know, maybe not mine, but I'm right in that little section of apartments there. So I got a little ways to get back. I'm gonna take a hot chow. And man, it's been fun. It's been a good little kickabout. Excuse me. I might have to throw up. We'll see. I might have all kinds of bacteria living within my body, I guess. All right, I think this is my final update. I'll try to run it in. We're at 5.37 miles, 55 minutes. I think we're just under 10 minutes a mile there, so. All right, enough talking. Time time to go. I wasn't done documenting the fallout of San Francisco on a day of rain that's this intense. Or I guess it's been a couple days actually. This is the track, and as you can tell, we got some serious flooding going on. The top part is fine. I usually run up there, but let's go investigate this real quick. It's pretty fun to have my shoes be completely wet. Also, shout out to these shoes. Pretty good drainage. They like drain after a couple strides. All right. I don't know what just happened. My phone froze, but how deep are we? You know, about an inch. It's looking like a frickin' lake over there. Yeah, all the way on the outside. Still pretty deep. We're in the bathtub. And now I have to walk through this shit because I got to get to the other side because I'm almost home. Epic. Old Kezar Stadium. Alright, maybe that's my last one. We'll see. I see any other crazy shit on the way. Alright. Oh shit, my feet are starting to freeze. Oh god. Oh god. Uh-oh. I don't know what to do. Holy fuck. It's raining. I told myself today I'm getting back on the train. It's raining so hard. I have not maybe ever seen it rain this hard here in this city. It is fucking dumping rain. So I'm actually gonna have to switch to my heavier duty raincoat because this thing's gonna get soaked in a second. I'm going with the shorts, commit to the wetness, can't avoid it, try to keep the top half dry-ish. I'm about to go for a 40-minute, so. Also not bringing the running backpack because that's another thing that's just gonna get fucking wet, so. Godspeed, good luck out there. Alright, got a status update because I'm just dropped something off at Aces. Kind of just made that part of my run, but yeah, I took some vids, but crossing the street, fully submerged, ankle deep water, both shoes. It's flooding like crazy here, and yeah, I'm soaked and I'm hot, so I don't know what to do. I have to take my hood down. It's kind of a tough question, but yeah, I think I got like 35 minutes left in this run, so I'm gonna go down to the park. Hopefully it's a little drier there, but oh, and I just got, that car just went past the pedal in it completely. All right, another update. I'm in the overpass situation, so I can get my phone out. On the promenade, vibing. The vibes out here, everybody who's out is just like saying what up to each other because everybody's on some psycho bullshit. That's awesome. Especially the runners. I've seen 2 other runners. They both went no raincoat. I just needed a place to put my phone. Anywho, I think 2 miles to go. Vibing, good.